He looked up at the night sky and realized something that would change the universe forever. But that discovery, it would make him an enemy of the most powerful institution on Earth. In the early 1600s, the world believed one simple truth. Everything revolved around Earth. The sun, the stars, the planets, all moved around us. It wasn't just science. It was religion. And questioning it was unthinkable. But one man dared to ask, what if we're wrong? His name was Galileo Galilei. Using a simple telescope, one he improved with his own hands, Galileo began observing the sky like no one before him. What he saw didn't match what the world believed. He discovered moons orbiting Jupiter, which meant not everything revolved around Earth. He observed the phases of Venus, proof that it circled the sun, and slowly a dangerous idea began to form. The Earth might not be the center of the universe. The sun was. This idea wasn't new. A man named Nicolaus Copernicus had proposed it years earlier. But Galileo did something different. He proved it. And then he published it. The reaction, explosive. The church saw this as a direct attack on their authority. Because if Earth wasn't the center of everything, then what else could be wrong? Galileo was warned, ordered to stop, but he didn't. Instead, he wrote a book defending the idea, and that was the moment. Everything changed. In 1633, Galileo was summoned to stand trial before the Inquisition. An old man, facing one of the most powerful forces in the world. He was accused of heresy. The punishment? Prison, or worse. Under pressure, Galileo did the unthinkable. He denied his own discovery, publicly. Legend says that after his confession, he whispered, "Eppur si muove," and yet it moves. Galileo was sentenced to house arrest for the rest of his life. Silenced, watched, cut off from the world. But the truth he discovered couldn't be locked away. His ideas spread. Scientists built on his work. And over time, the world began to change. Today we know the truth. The Earth is not the center of the universe. But think about this. A single man with a telescope challenged everything humanity believed and paid the price for it. So the question is, if you discovered a truth that could change the world, but it meant risking everything, would you still speak? What would you have done? Stay silent or fight for the truth? Comment below.